show you the setting for Kcse 2025 paper 3, 2025 Kcse paper 3 English, and paper 2 excerpt, the trend in the setting, and so that you will be able, as you revise, you don't revise blindly. There are things which you must know from which book or text the excerpt is going to come from which the compulsory essay 2025 Kcse is going to come from which text. So let's go straight and look at it. So you can see I've written English paper 3 and paper 2 trend in setting Kcse exam for the year 2025. This is what you expect. So let me give you the trend from 2023. The year 2023, the compulsory essay, because there is 3 essays a student has to write. Number 1 is an imaginative essay or composition. Number 2 is a compulsory. And then number 3, you choose from the optional texts which we want to talk about. Now here, 2023, the compulsory essay came from the blossoms of the savannah, and the excerpt came from the play. And the play, by that time, it was called A Doll's House. Then the short story was there, the novel short story. Now this is the optional. So out of these 3, you must read at least 1. But to be on the safe side, read at least 2. For the optional novels, you need to read at least 2 to be on the safe side, because you might find a silent song. There is a question there you don't know. You go to artist 2024. They just completed the exam 2024. The compulsory essay came from the play, and the play is the Samaritan, right? Now, the excerpt came from the Fathers of Nations 2024, that is the novel. Then we have the silent song, an artist, and the Parliament of Alls. Now, from this optional text, you need to choose at least read 2 of them. Read 2. So that when you find one is in this, you don't understand the question, you can switch to another. Now, for 2025, what did we expect? The compulsory essays will come from the novel, that is the Fathers of the Nations. The essay will come from the Fathers of the Nations, and the excerpt is going to come from the Samaritan, the play 2025. So that is the information which you must know, so that as you read, you should know how to prepare. We have silent song, question and answers, the essays. We have very many of them. So when you need them, you just need to contact. This is the number you contact, and you get the essays. So this is for the silent song. We have a total of 23 now. We are adding more so that you read them. Similarly, we have the essays from the Parliament of Alls, the novel. These essays, we have 40 of them. We have 40 essays which can easily help you and remind you. These are predictions, and I will show you next time that the essays that we predicted last year are the one that came in the exam 2024. So we don't just put them here. What we have here is what you will find in the exam. So we have 41 essays which will help you to, because as you reread them, you revise them, you know how to answer these questions. Next, we have the excerpts from the Samaritan. So far we have 23 excerpts, question and answers. I can show you, like this is this excerpt number 17. Excerpt number 17, we give you the excerpt. You read the excerpt. Once you read the excerpt, so from number 1 up to number 17 is like this. So to number 18, you read the question. We give you the question, the answer. The question, the answer. The black one you can see is the question, the bolded word, and then the answer, like that. These are the excerpt. So after that, from here, from 18, excerpt 18, I have given question. You read the excerpt. After reading the excerpt, you do the question. You try yourself with the way you have understood the book. You do the questions. After that, you get the marking scheme towards the end. So towards the end, we have the marking scheme for this is for number. This is for excerpt 18. You see, we have now, you start here the excerpts 18 up to 23. The answers are available. So you do, and then you mark for yourself. So we have these excerpts. You need to contact and then get them.